Okay, we have theme. Theme is a little sketchy, okay? Here's why. Because any theme can be considered valid as long as you can back it up with proof. Okay? So, that's why on multiple choice tests, it gets tricky. Because you have to think, okay, this theme could fit, this theme could fit, but which one has the most evidence to back it up? Guys, FSA is going to try to screw you up there. Okay, you need to know that. You have to pick the best answer. So you're looking for the one that you can support with the most evidence. Okay, so let's start out by making a note of that. Any theme can be considered valid. CONSIDERED. If, put that in all caps, if you can support it with text evidence. All right. You ready? Here's what a theme is. It's the truth or central idea that a story reveals about life, or, okay? Each little section, all of these things can be what the theme would revolve around, okay? So we have the truth or central idea that a story reveals about life. It can also be the moral or the life lesson or the overall message. Just like in Little Red Riding Hood, don't talk to strangers. That was the life lesson we got out of that. That would have been the theme of the story. Okay? So, the moral, life lesson, or message. All right. It can also be a debatable opinion. So Dylan might think it's one way, Anthony might think it's another. But either way, that could be the theme of it. Okay? Something you can debate. Okay? So, a debatable opinion. And typically, guys, your theme is not just stated for you, it's implied. You have to kind of read between the lines, okay? A debatable opinion that is implied not stated. Okay, so it's a central idea or a truth in the story. It's a moral, a life lesson, a debatable opinion. It all depends on the story, okay? But if there's something you can learn from that story, or if there's an overall message from that story, that's the theme. Any theme can be valid if you can back it up with text evidence, but don't just say, well, I think it's this because that's the way I think. Okay? That's not going to cut it. You have to be able to back it up with evidence from the text, okay? Okay? People don't just take your word for it. You have to prove your answers. Okay? We good?